Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, I'm gonna teaching you this strategy for binary options step by step. Even if you are totally newbie, you can learn and earn money with this strategy. Easy to understand, simple rules to follow, and easy profit if you are follow this strategy step by step. So let's roll with this video.
I am going to show you one of the strategies that I use for binary options where you can get profitability, where you will be able to see short-term profits if and only if you follow the steps that I indicate. On the internet, you will find a lot of strategies, but how many of them can be really profitable? I have been asked a lot about withdrawals, about deposits that I have made Pocket Option and Quotex, since they are the only brokers that I have used and that I recommend using because they pay, but I must mention this. None of these brokers have accepted bank transfers from me, and the payments that I have received, I receive through Bitcoin. This is what makes us think if these brokers are really reliable or not, since Bitcoin is not a traceable source of deposit, but I can tell you that I have withdrawn money with both platforms, and I have had no problem. Saying this, let's go to the video. Okay guys, for this strategy that I use a lot in binary options, I always like to trade in favor of trends, using moving averages, and this is what helps me to get more effectiveness in my trading, where I look to make more money. So let's explain the strategy. Today the market is closed, it's Sunday, and it's Easter, but I decided to do it with this explanation, and during the course of the week, I will show you how it works with other videos. I am also going to mention that I will only make videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and in the English channel will be Tuesday and Thursday. This is in order to have specific days of content, specific days of live trading, which would be practically on Mondays, and where we will also be teaching strategies, either Forex or binary options. In this case, we are going to use always in the moving averages, a moving average EMA of 10, a moving average EMA of 30, and an EMA of 200. The EMA of 10 will be white and the moving average of 30 will be yellow. The strategy is a 1-minute strategy. We trade with 1-minute candles, 1-minute time frame. I recommend 1 minute. The signals that they send in the group are 2 minutes, but I recommend 1 minute. When these moving averages cross each other, the white one crosses the yellow one, going down in this case, because we are looking for a bearish trade and our RSI, and we are also going to use it with the default setting, just like the stochastic oscillator. When it crosses the 50 periods of our RSI, we have a good opportunity to trade down, but it also has to cross or touch each other, our moving averages. And if we see here, our stochastic is always going to be the first one that is going to cross. How do we know what kind of trend we have? Well, the chart has to be below the 200 moving average for a downtrend to take trades to the downside. When the chart is above the 200 moving average, this will show us an uptrend, and we will only look for bullish trades. And what we are looking for example, in this case, we see that it is starting to go up, and the white moving average is below the yellow one, and it is going to cross going up. So what I would expect here is a retracement of that moving average back down, and it does exactly what it did here. It had its crossover, and then it continues down. We have to wait for very, very clear factors to be able to take trades. That the candlesticks or the chat are far away from the 200 moving average, that the 3 moving averages are not together, that our RSI starts to go towards the down direction, and better if it is crossing the 50 periods that we see here, and that our stochastic starts to also go down and crosses its moving averages inside the stochastic with each other. In order to take a good trade, an optimal trade to the downside, I'm going to put it here 30 seconds, and we are going to operate 1 minute 30 seconds in these operations. Now that we have to wait for the moving measurements, the stochastic is already happening. The RSI is also already happening. I am looking for a small impulse to be able to take a trade at a good price. This trade scared me a little, but in the end we see the importance of trading in favor of the trend. We have a downtrend, so momentum helps us have a winning trade. Let's look for more trades like this, and I must mention that here also comes into play the experience of the trader, something that you will learn over time. You must assume that not every trade will be a winning trade, so you will have the calmness to continue trading or stop. Now let's continue looking at the chart. The advice I will give you here is to follow all the indicators, because if you have no experience, the indicators will help you to stay away from losses. That is what we use all the indicators for, to confirm entries. If you see that I take a trade without waiting for my moving averages to cross completely, it is because I go by my experience, but I recommend you to wait for your indicators to confirm the trade. I will leave you with the rest of the video in quick mode, and I hope this video has helped you and you put this strategy into practice.
I really hope so this video like it. And if you want to join us to Day Trading Signals group, you can use in the link below this video. I have a Discord channel too, and there we share free signals for Forex and binary options. And I'm gonna upload more videos about tutorials, how to start with binary options, how to start with Forex, and everything you need before to become a good and expert trader. I'm gonna leave it both links below on this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.